What's going on YouTube? This is the Patriot RC channel, and did a revamp of my 124 crawler course downstairs. So I did away with the waterfall. Let's start up on the second tier. So this is just a turnaround point here. That goes to the end down there. This one comes out. Suspension bridge. Up to here. And then back down. We'll back it up. This is open all the way to the end of the table. Come back here and there's a suspension bridge on the outside. You can crawl up this way. This is all styrofoam, or spray foam. There's a little bit of styrofoam on top here. These two pieces, that's it. The rest is all spray foam. It's been carved out. And here's the ramp that goes up. So yeah, the FCX 24 I'm getting tomorrow is a little bigger than the deadbolt I had, so I had to redo a couple little things. And then that just progresses upwards. Quite a few climbs back over here. This is kind of a V section here set up. But yeah, that's it. So we got the dry creek bed to the creek stones. So I'm going to keep this one short. Just one big overview of everything here. I don't know how well this is going to turn out on camera, but and that is it. Thank you, folks.